first problem, if z1 is equals to 2 comma minus 1, z2 is equals to 6 comma 3, then what is z1 minus z2? So given that z1 is equals to 2 comma minus 1, z2 is equal to 6 comma 3. What is z1 minus z2? So first we take that z1 is equals to here, z1 is equals to 2 minus I, and z2 is equals to 6 plus 3i. These are the another notations of the values z1 comma z2. z1 is equals to 2 minus I, z2 is equal to 6 plus 3i. Now what is z1 minus z2? So z1 minus z2 is equals to 2 minus I minus of 6 plus 3i, and this is equals to 2 minus I minus 6 minus 3i, that is 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus I minus 3i minus 4i. That's all. Answer is equals to minus 4 minus 4i. Problem, if z1 is equals to 3 comma 5 and z2 is equals to 2 comma 6, then find z1 into z2. So given that z1 is equals to 3 comma 5 and z2 is equals to 2 comma 6. Now z1 is taken as now 3 plus 5i, real part plus imaginary part, 3 plus 5i, and z2 is equals to 2 plus 6i. Now z1 into z2, first value into second value. Now we are taking the product here. So product is equals to 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 into 5i, 10i plus 6i into 3, 18i, 5i into 6i, 30i square, and this is equals to 6 plus 28i minus 30, since I square is equals to minus 1, and this is equals to 6 minus 30 minus 24 plus 28i. That's all. This is the answer. Problem, write the additive inverse of the following complex numbers. The first problem is root 3 comma 5. So here given that the first problem is equal to root 3 comma 5. So we take that z is equals to root 3 plus 5i. Now additive inverse of this term is equals to minus z. Additive inverse of z is equals to minus z. That is minus of root 3 plus 5i. Means minus root 3 minus 5i. This is the first problem. Now coming to the second sum. Second sum, minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 comma minus 4. So we take that z is equals to minus 6 plus 5i plus 10 minus 4i, and this is equals to 10 minus 6, 4 plus 5i minus 4i plus I. Now this is z value. Therefore additive inverse is minus z, that is minus of 4 plus I is equals to minus 4 minus I. That's all. Problem, 2 comma 1 into minus 4 comma 6, that is z is equals to, here the first complex number is 2 plus I into second complex number is minus 4 plus 6i. Now taking the product of the numbers, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, I into minus 4 minus 4i plus 2 into 6i, 12i plus I into 6i plus 6i square, and this is equals to minus 8, 12i minus 4i plus 8i minus 6. Since 6 is 6i square, since I square is equals to minus 1, this becomes minus 6. Minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 plus 8i. Now this is z value. Therefore additive inverse is minus z, that is minus of minus 14 plus 8i, and this is equals to minus of minus plus 14 minus 8i. That's all. If z1 is equal to 6 comma 3 and z2 is equals to 2 comma minus 1, then find the value of z1 by z2. So given that z1 is equal to 6 comma 3 and z2 is equal to 2 comma minus 1, now we want to find the value of z1 by z2, and this is equals to z1 value 6 plus 3i whole by z2 value 2 minus I. Now to change this term in the form of a plus ib in the form of complex number, we take the rationalization. Here the denominator is 2 minus I. So we take the rationalization with the number 2 plus I. So this is the conjugate of this number, 2 minus I conjugate 2 plus I. Conjugate means simply we change the sign of the imaginary part here. Here imaginary part is minus I. We change the sign of this term, that becomes plus I. So we take the rationalization. Now this is 6 plus 3i into 2 plus I by 2 minus I into 2 plus I. Product of the first two values into product of these two values. Now taking the product here, 2 into 6, that is 12 plus 6i plus 6i plus 3i square whole by, now this is a square minus b square, 4 minus I square, and this is equals to 12 plus 6i plus 6i, 12i minus 3 whole by 4 minus minus 1 means 4 plus 1. 12 minus 3, 9 plus 12 I by 5. That's all. This is the required answer. If z is equals to cos theta comma sin theta, then find z minus 1 by z. So given that z is equals to cos theta comma sin theta, that is z is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Then what is 1 by z value? 1 by z is equals to cos theta minus I sin theta. Now we can directly take this value. This is the formula. If z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by z is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Now we want the value of z minus 1 by z. Now replacing the values, z is equals to, here the z value is cos theta plus I sin theta minus of 1 by z. 1 by z value cos theta minus I sin theta, and this is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta minus cos theta minus of minus plus I sin theta. Now here cos theta and minus cos theta gets cancelled. Now the remaining value is I sin theta plus I sin theta equals to 2I sin theta. That's all. Next problem, if z not equals to 0, then find arc z plus arc z bar. So we want to find the value of arc z plus arc z bar. So first we take that arc z is equals to theta. Then arc z bar is equals to minus theta. This is the formula. So arc z is equals to theta means arc z bar is equals to minus theta. Therefore we want the value of arc z plus arc z bar. And this is equals to arc z value theta plus arc z bar value minus theta. Theta minus theta is equals to 0. That's all. Next problem, if z1 is equals to minus 1 and z2 is equal to minus 3, then find the value of arc z1 into z2. So here given that z1 is equals to minus 1 and z2 is equals to minus 5, we want the value of arc z1 z2. So first I take the value z1 into z2. So z1 is equals to minus 1, z2 is equals to minus I. Then the value of z1 into z2 is equals to minus 1 into minus I, that is I. Now, this is equals to 0 plus I into 1. So here the values of x comma y is equals to, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. X means real part and y means imaginary part. Now what is arc z1 z2? Arc z1 z2 formula is equals to tan inverse of 5 by x, and this is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 0. Tan inverse of 1 by 0 is equals to tan inverse of infinity, that is 90 degrees, that is pi by 2. Therefore answer is equals to pi by 2. That's all. If z1 is equal to minus 1 and z2 is equal to I, then find the value of arc z1 by z2. So given that z1 is equals to minus 1 and z2 is equals to I, we want to find the value of arc z1 by z2. So z1 by z, first we find the value of z1 by z2. So z1 by z2 is equals to z1 value minus 1 and z2 value I, that is minus 1. What is minus 1? I square by I. Now here I is cancelled by one time, then the remaining value is I. Now we want the value of arc z1 by z2. So arc z1 by z2 is equals to, the formula is tan inverse of 5 by x. So here the values of x comma y, this is 0 plus I into 1. So here the value of x is equals to 0 and the value of y is equals to 1. X is equals to real part, y is equal to imaginary part. Now this is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is equals to infinity. Tan inverse of infinite. Now this is equals to 90 degrees. So answer is equals to pi by 2. That's all. If root 3 plus I power 100 is equals to 2 power 99 into a plus ib, then show that a square plus b square is equals to 4. So first, given that root 3 plus I whole power 100 is equals to 2 power 99 into a plus ib. Now we want to show that a square plus b square is equals to 4. That is, first we apply the modulus to the given equation. So that is modulus of root 3 plus I power 100 is equals to 2 power 99 into modulus of a plus ib. Now what is modulus value? Mod x plus iy is equals to, the formula is square root of x square plus y square. Now this is the formula. By applying that formula here, now this is square root of root 3 whole square, that is 3, plus I quotient 1 square, that is 1, whole power 100 is equals to, here x is equal to real part value root 3 and y is equals to imaginary part value 1. I quotient is equals to 1 here, and this is equals to 2 power 99 into square root of x square plus y square, that is a square plus b square, real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. 3 plus 4, root 4 is equals to 2. 2 power 100 is equals to 2 power 99 into square root of a square plus b square. Now this 2 power 99 terms is cancelled, and here the only 2 left. Here we have only 2. Here the remaining value is only 2. That is 2 is equals to square root of a square plus b square. Squaring on both sides. Therefore 2 is equals to square root of a square plus b square. Now squaring on both sides, we get the value a square plus b square is equals to 4. That's all. That is the answer. Next problem, if rz1 bar and rz2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3 respectively, then find the value of rz1 plus rz2. So given that rz1 bar is equals to pi by 5 and rz2 is equal to pi by 3. So given that if the rz1 bar and rz2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3 respectively, that is rz1 bar is equals to pi by 5 and rz2 is equals to pi by 3. rz1 bar is equals to pi by 5 means rz1 is equals to minus pi by 5. Therefore, but we want the value of rz1 plus rz2. So rz1 plus rz2 is equals to minus pi by 5 plus pi by 3. Now taking LCM here, 15 LCM. Now this is minus 3 pi plus 5 pi, and this is equals to 2 pi by 50. That's all. This is the answer.